NORTHWIN Global City is a master-planned, mixed-use development designed to drive growth in northern Metro Manila. Strategically located in Bulacan, it offers direct access to major road networks and future infrastructure, positioning it as a vital gateway for commerce, logistics, and modern urban living. NORTHWIN integrates office spaces, commercial centers, retail hubs, and lifestyle zones into one cohesive environment, supporting productivity, accessibility, and quality of life. Built to global standards, the development features efficient road systems, reliable utilities, and smart city-ready infrastructure, ensuring long-term sustainability and adaptability. Central Park construction update as of January 2026. Central Park is the first residential condominium development within the NORTHWIN Global City Township in Bulacan, Philippines. It is developed by MegaWorld Corporation as part of its vision to create a world-class urban business and lifestyle district outside Metro Manila. Situated on NORTHWIN Main Street, a central and prime address within NORTHWIN Global City, the township itself is positioned along the North Luzon Expressway near major landmarks like the Philippine Arena and close to upcoming infrastructure such as the North-South Commuter Railway and New Manila International Airport. With its strategic location and future-ready design, NORTHWIN Global City attracts businesses, investors, and forward-thinking communities. More than a development, it is a platform for progress, connecting regions, creating opportunities, and shaping the future of the North.